Hello guys, welcome to my screencast. Sorry, I could have done it better than this, but it's just due to it's just due to my software. My present software went so crashing this evening. So let me just do it directly like this. Now, in the course of my research, I did a lot of things. So the stuff will be like, I got a lot of So yeah, the the flow of work. So what you require, your innovation is that you guys want to develop a system whereby people will. Let me stop typing. Let me just talk along. So you guys are telling me that you want to develop a system whereby you will be able to install, you'll be able to recharge on all network. Yeah, that's what you said. Now, during the course of my research, oh, I got some, I got some options to do it. That's option one. So, option one would be you, you guys. We have to do. Um, we have how many options did I have on ground? I have option one, option two, option three. So I'm gonna explain each option at a time. So let me explain option one. So in the option one, it is possible for you guys to have a local area network. Yeah, it's very possible, but it is expensive and then costly. Yeah. So what I discovered, the way I want to do that, what this option one, the goal that I want to achieve in the option one. So it's just that we will have collaboration with all these existing networks like Glo, MTN, and the likes. Yes, we will have an official relationship with them whereby we will buy all their recharge cards. We buy the recharge card for Glo, MTN, Etisalat, and the likes. So we are going to have all of this in an encrypted database. So that encrypted database will be a local area database whereby we are trying to create our own internet, creating our own local internet as MTN etc has done. That's option one. Now option two is just to leverage on existing local area network, like sorry, let me keep, I don't want to waste time, so that there are some things I've discovered some during my research. I got failures. There are some things I think it will work and they did not work. So since they did not work, I will have to like just directly go lead you directly to what is working and what will be implemented in the next 4 months. Yeah. So this option two, this option three, less is irrelevant, but it's irrelevant. Let me just say it. This option two, let me clear it away. the option one, creating your own local area. I forgot to say something here. Sorry, my presentation software just fogged me up this evening. But I have to accomplish. I have to meet up what I said I will meet. I said I will release this document to you today. So the local area network. I tried to leverage on a technology, a NASA technology, whereby they have um they have an open source software technology. So let me try to search for it. So um so I have a NASA catalog here, a catalog of software. So inside this NASA catalog of software 2016, there is an area here called data and servers. But what I'm really interested in is antenna. Sorry, maybe my spelling is wrong. Okay, let me just start from here, Joe. So I will move on. I will see it as I'm going. I could have done the screenshot and just go directly to the place. But sorry, just pardon me, please. It won't repeat itself again. So let me just search it legitly. Um. mm, okay. So no system no data. Okay. Uh-huh. Easy. Sorry. So this this is the catalog. We just want to borrow their technology. So these routers, servers and storage algorithms. So we are going to use this. We are going to implement another. We are just going to be looking at this as a copy and implement something like this that is going to be, you know, instead of us using having servers around, we will just be having transmitters and receivers that will be connected to our database. You understand? So the database will be encrypted. What is in the database? We have all these recharge cards there. So once somebody want to load a credit a recharge card, that person will be. This is where we are. Oh, this is what we are. This is the this is technology. You can look for it more, and all these are very useful. So this is what we are going to use to real-time multi. Look at it. Android is a innovative software solution that allows compressed real-time multimedia data streams to be viewed as information on remote devices. So all devices that are connected to our network, so all the same terminals will be connected to it. Then we just use this network. Or the logic is for me to is somehow complex, so it's nothing to talk about here. But due to the condition on ground, I can see that all this are not what is necessary. Let me go directly to what is necessary. And what is necessary is that where's that my test editor? Okay. So what's really necessary is this number two. Let me clear this out about this option three. What's really this is the major soup is that I got to during the course of my research I told you that I got to see um a software that is doing similar thing to what you want to implement. Yeah. So option two is just to implement a software that will run on smartphones. Now in this case now instead of creating our own local area network like MTN and the likes using this NASA technology here. What is this NASA technology? Using this NASA technology. You know this one will be more expensive. Yeah. So we just leverage on the internet that is already on ground, the normal internet. the normal internet. Yeah. Now we are going to leverage on the existing internet. So this option 2 will only work. People that will be able to use this option 2 will be: number 1, people that have internet connection. Number 2, they must be with a smartphone. Yeah, that's it. So now I have a special advice for you guys. You know, we already see something. There is something um I got this software. We call it Soto. You can go online and download it. I did some screenshots. This I want to just explain what the software do and the likes. But before going into this, I have to tell you that I will have to tell you the functionalities of this software, and then how we want to implement our own. That will be a bit different. Yeah. So this software is basically a working software. Yeah. That has that has all networks on their database. They have already bought a charge cards of different networks on their database. I don't know whether their database is encrypted or not, but our own database will be encrypted. Now, the name is Zoto instantly. So this software simply allow you to recharge any line, any network. So next, let me try next. This it's not next. Let me pick another one. Sorry, I fucked up a lot. My um presentation software just screwed me. Sorry. Mm, 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 mm. Sorry. Fuck. Okay, this is my screenshots. Yeah. So in there, yes. So this is the first one I showed you. So yeah, now. So cash back on every transaction. So they are telling you that if you make a transaction, and you can load the card and the card is not going through, and they will be able to confirm on their network system there that this card is not already loaded, and so they can give you your cash back. So you will be able to load. They use bank transactions. You understand me? You will use your bank to recharge it with stem. So instantly you enter your number here. You are going to be given um something like s- this to register. Yes. So now I want to quickly go allow strip to the terms and condition. During no network coverage, when data connection is turned off, look at it, the service shall not be available for the user in the following cases. Look at it, during no network connection coverage, when data connection is turned out of, change in application permission settings. If the application is deleted from the handset during any application or phone OS error failure. So that's just the terms and the conditions. So now where I'm really going is this. Assuming I want to recharge for Glow now, because this is my line. So the software is going to automatically dictate whether your line is Glow. If you are using 2SIM, it will dictate 2SIM. I don't know whether it's optimized for that, but my own program will be optimized for that. This is exactly what I want you guys to do. You understand me? This now, you can see this implementation now. So I am going to explain this. I'm going to pass you through the software. If you want to have more experience, you can download it on Play Store. It's there. So I'll just click here. I'll enter amount and proceed. Then I will get my, but I did not really use it. So if you have balance on it, you will do what, you will see it here. But I don't have any balance. I just installed it and used it for this presentation. So now, okay, if you want to add a wallet, if you want to add something to your, you want to buy, if you click proceed, then it is going to go to the, it's going to go open like an e-commerce chart for you, whereby you'll be able to use your credit card. That's how I'm going to implement yours. Because now, okay, this is their own official um stuff. So, okay, this person has already recharged 3,000 naira. Cashback has been credited. Look at it. This is the order number. Successful. Successful. This person recharged on 500 naira. So that's all. That's all. Now let's go directly. Let's go directly to the implementation costs estimation. So we are going to stick to option 2 for now. Now, the implementation procedure, um procedure so the implementation procedure is as follows. We are going to get a server, then uh we are going to get um we are going to get a database. We are going to get so let me call this, but let me just call it what is needed, or elements. To implement option 2. So I just want to give you a quick overview. So after this, I will now do the price estimation and everything. So since I'm already an Android developer, so you are going to pay a developer. So I am already developer, so that is not much. So let me just tell you what you need exactly. So you are going to get some different network recharge card. Just for, when we are developing a software, we have to test it and we make sure it's running fine before we put it into production. So now the database, the server, recharge cards, then we have to get during implementation. What else do you? I don't think you need. That's all. Okay, you also need you also need you will need a pay per account, or we will have to integrate some payment processor APIs into the system. So once we can get all these materials, then it's good, development is good to go as anything. So I will have to just do the price estimation of each database. Let me call it encrypted database. So now recharge card, So we have PayPal account. Yes, payment processor API. Let me just do it like this. So payment processor API. Let me just put is equal to in their front. Yeah. So that I'll just pull out the price directly. Because we are going to pay the API, all those people, whether MasterCard, whether VAB, but any payment processor that I will do some research and select the ones that will be suitable for the operation. So now, this server, actually I used to use Google Cloud because they have a lot of space, a lot of server, a lot of access. I also use Amazon, but for now I prefer Amazon because that's what I have Amazon in bulk now. Now we are using Amazon 1 year, but it's not really like 1 year like that in Amazon because it's not in hosting plan. We are just getting resources because the cloud infrastructure. So inside the 1 year we will have to buy, we have to design our system on their cloud. So I will need 1 year. I will need something like ram disk of I will need the ram. I'm setting up my system now. I will need the ram of about, because for start, let's just start with 10 gig ram. Yes, it will still, when time goes on we'll upgrade the system. Yeah. So I will need something, a processor that can run at least. I need, there are some processors on let's quickly go to this Amazon so that you can know what I'm talking about very well. So let me sign into my account and you will see what I'm really talking about. Sorry, it will load up now. Just my internet connection is bad. So before this sheet loads up, let me quickly give you some explanation here. So a database, we are going to have some encryption packages which I am going to develop. Yeah, I'm going to get some I will use RSA and the AES encryption algorithm together so that this thing is very strong. Even if they carry a quantum computer, it take a time. It will take, if as in at least 10 years before you can break in. So now the recharge card, we just need some. No, don't worry. I don't think we need this recharge card because we'll be using our CC to recharge directly. Yeah, yeah, that's smart. Now let me check whether this, okay, whether it's up. I don't think it's up. Or still loading. Fuck. So now let me move to the PayPal accounts. This PayPal account too, I don't think it's necessary. Let me move it out. So this payment processor API like MasterCard. Yes, we must use all the payment processors. We use MasterCard, we use VAV, we use everyone available. Every payment processor available so that people can use any credit card. Yes, that's it. So there are so many implementation logistics behind it, but that is too complex to be talking about now. I have limited time. Now, let's check again. This say the internet connection is very sucky. So I think I'm a sorry. I've already signed out. I already signed out. It's a pity. I will try to stop this video and record another one so that this one will be up before I start it, so that I don't long